Welcome back to Math Bytes. In today's episode, we're going to be practicing adding fractions. In this first example, we have two fractions that already have matching denominators, which means that these numbers in the bottom are the same. In these cases, all we have to do is add the numbers on the top. And so 1 and 1 will add to be 2. And so we'll just copy down what our denominator was, which was also 2. And then we say, can we simplify this? Yes. 2 divided by 2 becomes 1. And so 1/2 plus 1/2 is 1. Now in this example, we have 3/4 plus 1/2. Now we don't have matching denominators in this example. And so what we have to do is make it so that they have matching denominators. So I see that this is 3/4 and this is 1/2. It's always easier to make the denominator bigger instead of smaller, and so I'm going to take 1/2 and multiply the top and bottom by 2, and that's going to get me 2 over 4. So I can now erase this 1/2 and bring my 2 over 4 in its place because those fractions are equal. Now I'm to the point where I can add the numbers on the top because I have matching denominators. And so we'll get 3 plus 2 is 5. Our denominator is 4, so it's 5/4. Another way you can write this is that it's 1 and 1/4 if your teacher asks you to write it as a mixed number. Now, in our final example, it's not very easy to make either denominator change into the other one. And so what we'll do is say, okay, I can multiply 1/4 by 3 on top and bottom, and 1/3 by 4 on top and bottom. And so what that'll get me, if I come down below here, 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 times 4 is 4, 3 times 4 is 12. And so now I can just add 3 and 4, which is 7, and then use my denominator of 12, and I've added the fractions. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. This has been Nathan Farrell with Adding Fractions.